Hello friends and welcome to the Syndicate. Now in this video we will try to withdraw some money from one of my real accounts. Okay, so let's not waste time. This is the broker which I use, and this is one of my real accounts. In this account I do not keep much money. Right now the balance which I have is $1,204.44. Okay, now I have something in my mind. I want to withdraw all this money and I want to deposit this money into a different account. Okay, so I am doing this for my testing purposes, and at the same time you will also see a proof that the broker pays you all the money. Okay, so this is one of my curiosity as well, that in case I want to empty my broker account, in case I want to withdraw all my funds, is my broker going to give me all my money or not? This could be the question in everybody's mind, including my mind as well. So today in this video we're going to test out this thing, and I'll try to withdraw every single penny which I have in my real account. Real means this is my real money, and this is not my main account. This is only the account which I show in public. My real account is private. Okay, so let's start, and we go to not add, we withdraw. Okay, so we withdraw funds, and I withdraw funds in BTC, and this method Syndicate is all about withdrawing and depositing the money using Bitcoins only. Okay, so you will see everything right now, because if I click on Bitcoins here, then this broker also has a fees which I don't like, and it has got like deposit fees and withdraw fees. You can see the fees here. It's 0.0005 Bitcoins for withdrawals. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the reasons I mean, this is a good broker. There's no problem with this broker. It's an awesome broker. The only problem is there is fees. So if you earn a lot of profits, then fees will not matter. Okay, but if you only earn, let's say, $50 a week, in your case I don't know how much you will deposit. Okay, so if you earn only small profits, then this much BTC right now normally equals to $15. Okay, so you should be willing to give them $15 for every withdrawal, which I don't like personally. So I have something in my mind which I will not tell you people, but this video is only about proofs. Okay, so I'm doing this live on okay, so amount is because they need pin code, and I forgot what my pin code is, so I might have to check on my phone later on means right now. So available funds, so I want to withdraw from this account, which is my MT4 account, which has got this much balance, and as I said, I will withdraw, or I will suck every single drop of the blood from the body of this broker, which means I will withdraw everything. I agree with the blah and blah Bitcoin address. My Bitcoin address is this. I already have it ready. Make sure I don't get it wrong, and let's see what we have here. So this is my address. Now let me find the pin code, because I should have done this before, but I will go into my phone right now, and hopefully I'll find, or else this video will be long. So where do I go in my phone? Did I find it? Did I find it? Did I find it? Yes, I did. Okay, that is my pin code. Okay, and then make sure the amount is right there. You click on verify, and no thanks, and then it's gonna send me an email, I guess. Okay, code. So I will receive an email, which I will check on my phone again. You don't need to see the emails, my emails. Okay, so let's refresh my phone. It's too slow. I don't know if Gmail is slow or their brokers. Oh, I got it now. Unfortunately, nothing is faster than me in this world. Come on, give me the code. So the code is too slow. Loading. Come on, man. Let me open a different app. Okay, I'll get it done, no problem. Do we have it? Of course we have it. The code is small g and capital Z, small s, and capital T. All right. What do we do? Send? No, we click on verify. Authentication succeeded, which means now the broker is not gonna like that I have withdrawn all the money, but that's what it is. Okay. So dear client, blah and blah. Let's get back. So technically this broker pays you, or every broker processes the withdrawals from Monday to Friday. Right now, let's check the time here so that you can have a track of how much time they take to withdraw the funds, or time in EST right now. Okay, so I have made the withdrawal. It's 6:49 a.m. in America, New York. Okay, 6:49. Remember this time. And then I will record the next part of the video in which I will show you the time that when did I receive these funds. Okay, so if I refresh this right now, then let's see what status do we have of the funds. So if I come back on the left side here, it shows 0. Okay, so from this account the money is gone, and that money is right here in the lock. Okay, this lock symbol means that these funds are now frozen for withdrawal, so that you cannot use them for trading or for any other activity. So their team has frozen these funds. Frozen means now these funds are being processed for withdrawal. Okay, so hopefully in a couple of hours, I am expecting these funds to arrive today only, and worst case scenario on Monday. But let's hope for the best, and I'll come back and record the last part of the video when I receive these funds. Hello friends, we are back. Let's check the date and time, what the date and time is right now. So maybe time in EST, and it's 6:33 p.m. The date is Monday, 8 May 2023. So it's the Monday evening in America, and I have received those funds, which you can see here. It says deposit successful. The amount is this much BTC. Now I have some good news and then I have some bad news. So just watch it for a couple of minutes. This will take a couple of minutes extra. I was supposed to end this video by showing you that I have received the funds, but there are a few things which you need to know because nobody else will tell you this, right? So you can match this amount here if I come into my account as well. So you can see it succeeded. This is the amount in BTC, okay? And how much did I receive? I received this much. Now, if I go back to Google again and I just type in here, let's say BTC is equal to USD. And if you remember in the previous part of the video, the amount which we tried to withdraw was 1204.44, okay? But in today's date, this BTC which I received is only valid, or is only equal to $1,116. Now, do you understand that this is, this fluctuates because this is a cryptocurrency. So during the weekend, I think the USD has gone down. Okay, so the bitcoins which were worth for $1,200, now they're only worth for $1,116, and on top of that they deducted $15 fees as well, which I cannot blame because they are transparent about their fees. Okay, so overall the good news is that we have received the funds, which is positive. I mean, there has been no instance where I did not receive the funds, so there was not a problem with that. The only thing happened this time is they took a while. It took like 48 hours. Okay, I was expecting the funds to arrive on Friday only, but it arrived on Monday evening, which is still, because you don't count Saturday, Sunday. Okay, you do not count or calculate Saturday, Sunday. So it took the whole day of Monday. Okay, the reason being, if I show you here, you can see they sent the payment to 2 people at the same time from their wallet. Okay, so this is their wallet, the FX Open wallet. They have sent the money from their account, and this is one other random customer, and this is me. So I received this much money. I mean, they sent money to 2 people at the same time. You understand? So I was one person who was withdrawing $1,200, and this person was withdrawing around $900. Okay, so overall they sent this much money. This much money is like a couple of $1,000s. The problem which happened is this fees here. Okay, this much BTC is only like $3. So they tried to send transfer to 2 people at the same time, but the fees which they paid to the miner, this fees is very, 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 very small, only $3. Okay, so it's like, you use those companies who transfer your money like PayPal and some other companies for exchange. Okay, if you use those companies and if you do not pay their fees, your transaction will not go through. Similarly, in Bitcoins, you need to pay a desired or sufficient fees so that somebody will come from the blockchain and process your transaction. Okay, now in my case, this thing has been stuck for since Friday, I could say, because we don't count Saturday, Sunday, as I told you. If we talk about the overall process, I did receive this transaction within 48 hours. So we can calculate the whole day of Friday, and then we can calculate the whole day of Monday. So within the range, I received this much money. The only bad thing I could say is that the value of dollars has gone down. So this much BTC right now is only equal to these many dollars. So BTC has gone up, I believe. I'm not too sure if I'm telling you this right or wrong. But the point being is, whatever money I had, I withdrawn that money, and that money, which was equal to $1,200 on Friday, that money is only equal to 1116 on Monday when I'm recording this video. Okay, one more thing. I would tell you, but you will not need this. I'm just telling you this for informational purposes, because when you transfer the money, or when you are expecting a Bitcoin transaction from somebody else in your wallet, and if they have not paid sufficient fees, then your Bitcoins might get stuck for number of days, number of weeks, number of months, possibly. Okay, because there will be people who will be paying more fees. Okay, there will be people who will be paying more fees to the miners, and those miners will go for the higher fees, and your transaction will be like at the bottom in the queue. Nobody will be there to process your transaction. That happens in rare occasions, but it does happen. Okay, so whenever you try to send out Bitcoins, make sure your wallet will be suggesting how much fees should you include. And if you're receiving Bitcoins, in my case, what I did is I also had to use a thing called BTC accelerator. Okay, now I will not go into much technical details. I'll have to wind up this video, because this video is only a proof video that I have got my money. Everybody gets the money. Nobody had any complaints so far. Whoever using the Syndicate, everybody is withdrawing the money without any problems. Okay, so I will not go into much technical details. So let's do a recap of the video. In the first part of the video, I have shown you that I have withdrawn 1204 on Friday, and I received this email 22 minutes ago. You see, 22 minutes ago, I received the email, and I got the money on a Monday, which was 8th of May, EST time. Okay, and how much money did I receive is something like this. So overall, the process works, the broker works, okay, and the method works. And I guess, what are you waiting for? You may go and watch more videos, more testimonials on this page, or else go back to your sleep, because if you don't take action, then you carry on living your old life. Or maybe I can show you some recent, I will not show you, but you can see here at the bottom, I am handling some of the clients' accounts. So you can see 3 machines working in the bottom here. Okay, anyways, anything else? I don't think so. This is not a tutorial. This was only a proof video. So you got the proof, I got the money, and I will just go and do something which I had in my mind, that what I will be doing with the money after I have it drawn. Okay, so see you inside. Best of luck.